What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk 365 with a brand new sneaker review, and today we're taking a look at the Adidas NMD R1 PK. Now, the Primeknit NMD R1s are probably one of the most comfortable sneakers you can buy. If you wanted that sock-like boost bouncy sneaker, this is the shoe you should be looking at for. They have a lot of these available online, so I'll leave them linked in the description down below. And they actually bought this pair on sale on the Adidas website. And sometimes you might be able to find the odd colorway or odd size at an Adidas outlet in person, so feel free to check at your local outlets if you have an Adidas outlet nearby. When it comes to the NMD R1, a lot of people think of the mesh colorways, the general release colorways, the ones that you can find pretty much at every single sneaker store. But the Primeknit version is the premium version of the NMD R1, and that Primeknit material really does make a difference. So if you're able to find a Primeknit version versus a regular version and the price difference isn't too much, maybe like $10, $20, I would absolutely recommend you opt for the Primeknit version instead. Not only are you going to be able to find more exclusive colorways that you won't find on everybody else's feet at the mall, but it's also a more comfortable shoe. The Primeknit on this shoe is actually like an Oreo color scheme, so here's a look at the Oreo Primeknit, and it's super soft. It hugs your foot in just the right places, and it's a shoe that you can also bring traveling with you and pack a lot of them in your suitcase if you wanted to, because they're very easy to collapse. Like, check this out, look how flat you can pack these things. So very portable, and on top of that, they're super lightweight as well. They're lighter than the regular mesh version. So this sneaker has a complete Primeknit upper with that white and black pattern, and it also has 3-stripe branding on the side as well, and it's really cool. It sort of has like this 3D pop out effect. There isn't really a obtrusive 3 stripes, it's just sort of there. If you look at them up close, you'll really see them, but from afar you won't see them too much, but there is a slight bulge, as you guys can see on camera right now. Besides that, these have like a sock like knit collar right here, so it's gonna hug your foot. And then on top of that, we also have the black laces on this pair. It did not come with any extra laces, but the black pair, it suits it really well. In terms of more of the black accents on this particular NMD R1, the Oreos, you have the black plug at the front and the one at the back as well, with some Adidas branding on the front block. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, you have this black like TPU material, and this gives the shoe more structure because Primeknit typically isn't like the sturdiest material. It really molds to your shoe, so having this right here is essential to the sneaker being able to maintain its shape like this over a long period of time. We have the black on black Adidas trefoil logo as well with the branding, and it says the brand with 3 stripes and I think 4 different languages as well. And by the way, if you guys like this sneaker, I also did a review of the regular mesh version as well, so check out the other reviews on this channel, Sneaker Talk 365, and feel free to subscribe for some more content. Anyways, back to the sneaker. Now, in terms of comfort and sizing, when it comes to the Primeknit Adidas NMD R1, I would recommend going half a size down. Now, the Primeknit material is the reason I say go half a size down. It is super soft and very stretchy, so don't worry about your shoe, you know, feeling too tight. The Primeknit material does a really good job at caressing and molding to your foot in just the right places. Now, I say go half a size down for the Primeknit, but when it comes to the regular NMD R1s, go your true size, because the mesh is not as stretchy, it's not as forgiving. So yeah, if you do end up going your true size in the Primeknit NMD R1s, you will expect some extra toe space, but I mean, if you wanted that extra kind of toe room in your shoe, then totally go for your regular size. Now, in terms of comfortability, these are probably comfortable, is that the right word? Comfort. In terms of comfort, these are the most comfortable Adidas lifestyle sneaker you can buy. Now, if you're looking for a performance sneaker, the Ultra Boost is the most comfortable Adidas sneaker out there, but big but, this is meant as a lifestyle sneaker. These are not meant for long runs. This is meant for your everyday use. This is a shoe that you should just be able to slip on and rock with pretty much every single outfit, because it is an Oreo colorway, so it's going to go with all of your outfits. But if you do want to wear these for the gym for like a light jog or work out in these, then these are totally a shoe that will be able to you know, be up for that challenge. Now, the NMD R1 Primeknit used to be a sneaker a lot of sneakerheads lusted after for. They made a lot more limited colorways when the sneaker originally released, released a few years ago, but now these days you're able to find these shoes on sale for maybe 10 to 20% off retail, and the colorways are still pretty fire, but they're just not as hyped up as they used to be. Before, these would sell out instantly, it didn't matter what colorway, but now, you know, now that they've been out for a while, anyone will be able to enjoy the NMD R1 Primeknit. With that said, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, comment down below for the comment question of the day, your thoughts and opinions on the NMD R1 Primeknit Oreo colorway. Are these a cop? Are these a drop? Do you have the Primeknit NMD R1s, or do you have the mesh ones? Let me know which ones you guys like better. I personally like the Primeknit more. It definitely has a more premium feel to it, and I like the different kind of prints and patterns that they can do on the Primeknit, which they can't typically do on the regular NMD R1s with the mesh upper. And also, if you guys want to enter the Static Easy giveaway for the month of April, subscribe to this channel and like the video as well, and that'll be your entry for the Static size 10 giveaway this month. I'll catch you guys over on my next video or on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA and at SneakerTalk365, and that's it. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Peace out.